So, what if you could create these absolutely stunning, long-form cinematic videos using just AI? I'm talking no expensive software, not even a camera. Sounds kind of like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. It's a real workflow that's totally changing the game for creators. You ready to see how it's done? I mean, just really think about that for a second. A full 10-minute cinematic masterpiece pulled straight from your imagination and brought to life by AI. This isn't just a fantasy. This is exactly how a new wave of creators are building entire YouTube channels without ever, picking up a camera. And yeah, that's the big question, isn't it? If you've messed around with any of these incredible new AI video tools, you've definitely hit this wall. You get these mind-blowing 5-second clips. But then what? How do you actually turn that into a 5 or even a 10-minute story? We actually call this the 5-second problem, and trust me, it's the single biggest hurdle for anyone trying to make long videos with AI. It's the reason so many awesome ideas just fizzle out after a few seconds of cool footage. But don't you worry, there's a pro-level solution for this. So here's the deal. The very tools that give us all this amazing power, well, they also hit us with this super strict limit. Doesn't matter if you're using Kling AI, Luma Dream Machine, or whatever's next, you're working with these tiny little fragments of video. So how in the world do the pros do it? They use a workflow called the stitching method. Seriously, this is the key. This is how you break free from that 5-second jail and start creating real, compelling, long-form videos. So what it really boils down to is this. The stitching method is just a smart, systematic way of planning, generating, and editing all those short clips so they flow together into one seamless story. It's honestly less about which fancy AI tool you use and way more about the strategy. And this is exactly why it matters so much. Once you master this method, you basically unlock the ability to create anything you want. Documentaries, fictional stories, you name it. All without ever having to show your face. You could build an entire faceless YouTube channel on this one principle. Okay, so how does it actually work? Let's break it all down into a super clear 4-step workflow. This is the exact blueprint you need to go from just a simple idea to a fully finished long AI video. The steps are pretty straightforward. First, you script like a pro. Second, you generate your clips. Third, you add a killer voiceover. And finally, you stitch it all together. All right, let's dive into step 1, because this is where it all begins. Now, you might be surprised, but the most crucial step has absolutely nothing to do with the visuals. It all starts with a script. And this, right here, is where most beginners mess up. They get all excited about the video, but a smart script, that's the real foundation of a great AI video. Okay, here's the big mistake you got to avoid. Writing one long, continuous script like you normally would. The right way, the AI way, is to think and to write in tiny 5-second blocks. Each little block is its own scene, its own prompt for the AI. This is a fundamental shift in thinking, and it's absolutely key. And hey, you can even use AI to help you do this. Just hop into ChatGPT or Gemini and use a prompt like this. Write a YouTube video script in 5-second scenes with visual prompts and narration. It'll spit out a perfect blueprint for you to start working from. All right, now for the fun part. It's time to bring that script to life and actually generate the video clips. You take your visual prompts, you feed them to the AI, but you're gonna run into the next big challenge almost immediately: inconsistency. Your character might look different from clip to clip, the background might change, it can get messy fast. So, how do you fix that? Well, the pros use a really cool technique called the last frame method. You literally take the very last frame of your first clip, you save it as a picture, and then you use that picture as the starting image for your next clip. This forces the AI to keep everything looking the same, and you get these incredibly smooth, movie-like transitions. For this step, the best free tools out there right now are probably Kling AI, which is known for its amazing visuals, Google's Flow, which is fantastic for smooth motion, and Luma Dream Machine, which gives you a ton of creative control. Some of these even have new features that let you extend your clips, which is super helpful. Okay, so your visuals are looking great, but a silent movie isn't going to keep anyone's attention for long. A strong, clear voiceover is what turns your pile of clips into an actual engaging story. And I'm serious, do not skip this step. A good voiceover can literally double your audience retention. It's that important. You can use really powerful AI voice tools for this, like Google AI Studio or Typecast. Now, the keys to success here are simple, but they're absolutely crucial. you have to use the same voice throughout for consistency. Make sure the tone actually fits the mood of your video. And you gotta carefully sync the narration up with each of those 5-second scenes you scripted out earlier. And here we are, the final step, sticking it all together. You've got your smart script, you've got your consistent video clips, and you've got your compelling voiceover. This is the editing phase. This is where the magic really happens and your video is finally born. You really don't need fancy, expensive software for this. Free editors like CapCut or VEED are more than powerful enough. You just import all your clips, lay down your voiceover track, and then use super simple transitions, like a dissolve or fade between your clips. These are actually perfect for hiding any tiny little imperfections the AI might have left behind. Okay, so now you know the complete workflow. You know how to make a good, solid, long-form AI video. But how do you take it from just good to something that could actually go viral? Well, it all comes down to a few secret sauce ingredients. First, keep your scenes snappy and fast-paced to hold on to people's attention. Second, use hyper-specific character prompts to really lock in that consistency. Third, add sound effects, things like rain or footsteps, just to create a much more immersive world. And finally, and this is the most important tip of all, always focus on the story. And that really is the ultimate secret, isn't it? It is so easy to get lost in the amazing visuals that AI can create. But at the end of the day, the technology is just a tool. The real magic isn't the AI, it's the story you decide to tell with it. You gotta remember this. Nobody clicks on a video because they want to watch AI. They click because they're hooked by a cool idea or an emotional narrative. They're watching for the story, period. So there you have it, the complete, step-by-step professional workflow to create long AI videos completely for free. The technology is here, the method is clear. The only question left is, what story are you gonna tell?